Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 GMC Acadia Denali. You'll notice the beautiful C LED headlights as well as the beautiful Denali grille in the front of this Acadia. The exterior color is crystal white with the interior color of jet black. As you'd expect from the interior of a GMC Denali, you do have wood grain throughout the interior of the vehicle. You have memory seats, heated and cooled leather seats, heated leather wrapped steering wheel, digital center in your dash, audio controls on your steering wheel, large HD touchscreen for your audio and your navigation. Now GMC has done this new push button for your gear shifter, wireless charging, auto start and stop, which now you can turn on and off, trash control, parking, your 4x4 select dial and lane departure assist, more of that beautiful wood grain, jet black interior. On the exterior of this Acadia, you do notice the LED daytime running lights on the rear, dual chrome exhaust tips, chrome throughout the vehicle, 20-inch wheel and tire package with color matched wheel arches, front and rear bumpers. And in the rear of the interior of this vehicle, you do have captain's chairs, heated as well. You do have outlets in the back for any USB or 12-volt outlet you may have. You have climate control as the rear as well. Now this vehicle is a 6-seater, so there is 2 more seats in the rear there that also fold down to give you lots of cargo space. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video of the 2020 GMC Acadia Denali. We hope that you come down and take it for a test drive at GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.